Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Rue, and today we're going to talk about your why. Why do you want to be an actor? Why are you willing to do the crazy things that we have to do in the hopes of being successful one day? It's a tough one. It's something that is going to be very personal to you. Mine is very personal to me. My wife's is very personal to her. It's a self-exploration journey, if that even makes sense. But yeah, I'm going to try to help you figure it out a little bit and maybe give you some pointers. So let's get into it. Hey guys, my name is Rue, and thank you so much for tuning in. On this channel, we talk about the industry. Well, I talk about the industry. Basically the ins and outs, what to do, what not to do, how to move forward, what to avoid, all that kind of fun stuff, because it is a fun, dynamic industry, and I love it, and I like sharing with you guys. And today we are going to talk about your why. That's probably the most important thing you can figure out in the beginning as an actor. It's why you want to do it. All right, let's get into it. So, your why. Why do you want to be an actor? Why did you one day decide that this is the direction that you want your life to go into? Maybe it happened for you when you were a kid. Maybe you can't even remember the last time that you did not want to be an actor. That's not my story at all. Maybe you decided later in life. Maybe you've gone through the traditional route or at least attempted the traditional route like I did. And then you just decided one day that, you have to follow your heart. Because honestly, that's kind of where that stems from, is your heart. Nobody makes a logical decision. I'm going to be an actor because that is a safe route to take. That is a safe career. That is a logical decision. Nobody does that, and if you do that, you're illogical. We're creatives, we're risk takers, and that is why we are where we are, and that is why you're watching this video, right? My story is a little bit different. Just really quick, I'm not going to go into my whole thing, but I was born and raised in South Africa, came here when I was 19, jumped straight into college because I had to be in college. I was pretty limited with which colleges I could go to, so I went to a university, I did a business degree, kind of bounced around for years and years and years, and then one day decided, you know what, I want to be an actor. And it's funny because I never, like in high school, I never did drama, for example. I never went to drama classes. It wasn't my thing. I was a complete introvert. Well, still am, really. So it's interesting that later on in life, I decided, ooh, yeah, let's be an actor, which most people consider extreme extroverts, right? Because they're entertainers. Honestly, that's not really the case. The acting world is full of personalities. And whatever your personality is, we need you. We need you to bring that personality to film, to theater, to TV shows, to movies. We need you. So keep that in mind. You are so unique, and nobody else can do whatever you're going to do in the entertainment industry, okay? But the only way you're going to be able to push through the hard times, and there's plenty of those, is by knowing exactly why you want to do it. So a lot of people want to be famous, right? That's logical. I mean, you see the Hollywood actors, and you see them in their fancy houses, and you see them in their celebrity statuses, and people love them, and people want their autographs and all this kind of stuff, and it's appealing. It is. Well, to some people it's appealing. And it seems fun, right? It seems fun to be loved by millions of people, to be respected by millions of people. But fame, or your search for fame and glory and riches and success in that regards, when it comes to that sort of thing, that's not going to drive you past the late nights, past the rejection, past the disappointments that you're going to go through, that you're going to face in this industry. It's a very surface level reason, and if that is all you have, you might want to rethink, or you might just want to do some soul searching and ask yourself, is this really what you want to do? Figure out why you want to do it, because it has to be deeper than that. It has to be. For me, for example, I love storytelling. I love the idea of communicating a message through a story, through a message that is a little bit more indirect. Metaphors, like it's basically metaphors. You try to express an opinion through a story. You try to express an idea through a story. And film is a perfect platform to do that. How many times have you seen a film and it just spoke to you, the actor just spoke to you? Maybe it's not even the whole film, it could have just been a moment in the film. You go watch that scene over and over and over because it helps you through a situation that might have nothing to do with that film. For example, one of my all-time favorite scenes is when is in The Pursuit of Happiness, when Will Smith finally got the job. And he stood there silenced, and you could see the emotion bubbling up inside of him. And, you know, that scene has gotten me through some hard times. It's great. It's great that Will Smith was able to put that on film. It's going to be this eternal clip that can help people all across the world, right? And to me, that's really important. And to me, that is awesome. So my reason is I love storytelling, and I like conveying a message, and I like helping people. Honestly, that's why I'm making this channel, because yeah, it's a baby channel right now. I know that. If you're watching this, I have like 45 subscribers. It's probably like my mom that subscribed a bunch of times from different accounts. I don't know, but I love helping. And I know that I've learned quite a bit. I've been through some things in this industry already. And if I can help somebody else avoid some of those pitfalls, then I will. But ultimately, it's going to be up to you to go through them anyways. And that is why you need such a strong, powerful why inside of you to be able to do that, all right? So yeah, seeking fame and fortune is probably not going to drive you. There's a lot that goes into this. It is late nights. You have to audition hundreds and hundreds of times, getting rejected hundreds and hundreds of times. You have to be willing to train. You have to be willing to work for free. You have to be willing to be on set not knowing when you're gonna go home. When you get on set, you can be there for 2 hours, you can be there for 20 hours. Okay, I'm not kidding. You have to be willing to work. Fame is not really gonna make you do that. You're gonna be like, nah, I'll find someone else, I'll figure something else out. The way it happened for me is like I was literally in sales, and I decided one day I was sitting in my office, and I literally decided that I need to be an actor. It was like that. The idea kind of crept into my head a few years prior to that, and you know, but I always pushed it down. I was like, no, that's impractical. That's stupid. That's not. I'm an introvert. That's insane. And then one day it just overwhelmed me. And when something overwhelms you like that, and you're willing to give up a career, you're willing to take that risk and take that kind of leap of faith, if you will, whatever you want to call it, then you probably know that there's something deep inside of you that helped you make that decision. So in the beginning of this video, I said it's going to take some self-exploration. So ask yourself, why do I want to be an actor? Is it because I want to be famous? It's okay if that's part of it. I mean, who doesn't want an audience? I mean, it goes hand in hand with what I want to do. Like, I want to be famous one day, of course. It goes hand in hand with my deeper reason, because if you're an A-lister, you have a much bigger platform. You have a much bigger audience. So the stories that you do tell, the message that you do convey reaches a lot more people. But you see what I'm saying? It's not just about the numbers. It's not just about the fame. It's about what that can do for you, what that can do for others. And that is what you have to explore. You have to find out. You have to ask yourself what it is that's going to drive you. Okay? I don't know, maybe this video is a little bit foo-foo or whatever, it's a little bit vague. I understand that. But like I said, this is very personal to you, just like it's personal to me. Every actor has to figure this out for themselves. And it's really, really good if you can figure this out early on. I mean, it's always hard, but it's always hard, but the beginning especially, it's hard to get started. There's a lot of mistakes that you're gonna make. I hope you avoid some of them. Hopefully you can learn some things from this channel and other channels just like mine, or much bigger than mine, experts. Do your research, watch, learn. You can really avoid 90% of the mistakes that so many people make. But you gotta figure out step one, man. You gotta figure out that why. It's gonna help you out a lot. It's gonna be your cornerstone. It's going to be that foundation that you can lean on when things get tough. Well, guys, that's it for me. Thank you so much for joining in. And if you do like this kind of content, if you do like this video, please consider liking it, subscribing, hit that bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload something. That way we can connect once again. Maybe you can learn something. Maybe you can chat with me in the comments, and maybe I can learn something from you. We're all in this together, so let's make some magic together, all right? Here's a question of you guys, and you probably know what I'm gonna ask, but what is your why? Please if you're open to making it public, please tell me. I'd love to see it. I'd love for other people to be able to read some examples of what drives other people. And then they can realize that it doesn't matter what it is, because everybody is different. And that's okay. It doesn't have to be the same thing. I'd love to see what you say. Let's chat, let's connect, and hopefully we're on set together one day. Cool, guys. Well, thank you so much again for making it all the way through. This is a little bit of a shorter one. I will see you next time. All right? See ya.